Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y97 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find more settings. Then scroll down again and enter backup and reset, and here tap on backup data at the top. Now let's choose Google server and tap on backup accounts. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. And then tap on next. Right here. Now we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so we can read them, and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and here we've got more information. So we are able to use 15 GB of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. You can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, and you can manage your backup whenever you want. So just tap on turn on, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account, which means that from now on your device will back up the data right there. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.